I want to talk about jobs and automation, AI and robots. I want to know what it is that you do and how you think AI is going to affect what you do. Going to affect the amount of money you bring home, the satisfaction you have in your career. You know, careers are more than just paychecks. They give us a sense of meaning, purpose. Is AI going to take that away from us? Are the AI going to threaten more than our jobs? Are they going to threaten our sense of meaning? I think the best thing we can do is to go back and look at how we've faced this problem before, even if it was different, to realize humanity has been scared of technology before. It's not the first time this has happened. There's a great clip I'll post, and it's about automation in bakeries about 100 years ago. And when we think of things like sliced bread, people say this is the greatest thing since sliced bread. What that really is a machine that sliced it. It was a robot. A lot of the foods people eat today are made by machines. And in this old clip, they're interviewing the bakers and how concerned they are with these mechanized processes to mix the dough, to knead it, put it in the pans, send it through the oven automatically, and create this era of sliced bread that we live in now. And some of the guys talk about how they're in the sweet dough department. And now they're creating these sugary treats at scales we've never seen before. And I love his expression. He said, we're cinnamon bunning the public to death. We have a food problem in this country. And it's hard for people to get high quality food. It's very easy to get cheap mass-produced food. Maybe we are cinnamon bunning the public to death. And that this automation is not just a threat to our careers and to our livelihood, but it's a threat to our health. When we think about things like Oreo cookies or frozen pizzas, these are made by machines. They've been made by machines for a long time. Snickers bars and Twinkies, and typically the stuff that's not very good for you. What does that mean as we scale that up? How can we use AI and automation to create a healthier population? Higher quality food, organic food. Food where you would be proud or happy to see the intermediate steps. One of the problems with technology is we can take things that aren't food and turn them into food. A lot of the things that you find in the grocery store, if you were to pile up all the ingredients, you wouldn't eat them. And so maybe technology hasn't helped in that sense. Maybe the ability to generate all of these artificial foods is a problem of technology. And maybe that's only going to get worse with AI. Or maybe it's going to get better. Maybe we'll have intelligent greenhouses, aquaponics systems, smart farms, happier animals, more holistic food cycles that help our planet. If we go back 100, 150 years ago, 200 years ago, many more farmers were in the country, right? At one point, 95% of the country was farming. Now it's less than 5%. It's switched. How is automation and technology going to affect this trend? And so when we think about, job loss, I think we need to think about culture loss. We need to think about how we can keep alive artisan foods, bakers that enjoy what they do, grocers that are happy to do what they do, restaurateurs that get joy out of creating meals that people find enjoyable. So there's lots of side to this automation. And so let's go back and look at how we survived these revolutions before, the agricultural revolution, the industrial revolution, the commercial revolution. And maybe we can use this as a roadmap to survive this next one. And hopefully we'll be happier and healthier when we get to the other side.